New Who, the breakfast of champions. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. So yeah, waking up. It's really early. It's like not even 6 o'clock yet. I'm ready to film. Take my camera over there, and yeah, and then my iPad. So just gotta get ready. No, it's kind of early. I'm a little bit tired. I'm driving down the road, trying to get to my destination. So, yeah, there's empty businesses and stuff. But the map says I'm gonna be close, so I gotta get going. Gotta do this. Woo! Alright, so over there, I don't know if you can see it, but that whole part, all that part right in there, all that where my thumb is blocking, that's where they're going to be repairing stuff. Over there where the ground is cracked. See, we got one of these little cool things. 1-800-Blacktop.com. That truck's hardcore. Just like, vroom, and it'll run over some people. Maybe not people, but you get the idea. Alright. We'll film it soon. We're doing one of these best things. Think it looks good? Time code. Construction! Watch this, he's gonna break up the cement. Got my camera here ready to film. All the equipment's here. There's a hot crack sealant filler thing for that thing that guy's carrying around. Right there, he's gonna get the hot. Ew, gross. Oh, blacktop. But very useful. Still filming. Crazy saw thing. Crazy saw thing. Got my computer all set up. About ready to sit here and do nothing but play TF2. Because that's what it's time for. Alright. TF2. Here we go. Steam. Alright, let me close this first. Come on. Okay. I don't want to. Well, maybe. Nah, I don't want to play that. I want to play something good. I don't know what. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Alright. Gotta go. Alright, I'm going to Albertsons. which is a grocery store. Oh wait, let me turn this off real quick. My bad. So I'm going to Albertsons because I need to get some pretzel M&Ms. I've been wanting some pretzel M&Ms for a while, so I'm gonna go get me some pretzel M&Ms. And I gotta work on a website, that same website. So, all right, here we go. Albertsons, it's your store. Well, that's supposed to be their slogan. It's logo. The slogan and the logo. Slogo. It's a combination of slogan and logo. Slogan. Anyway, alright, store. The night is falling. It's about 9 something. And I'm over here editing the vlog. By the way, these new M&Ms, pretzel M&Ms, are the best. They're way better than crispy. Well, I guess they're the new crispy because I don't see crispy anymore on the market. So, see, like I got another bag over there. So, alright, well, I gotta edit this vlog. I'll see you guys later. Rate, comment, subscribe, and more cool construction stuff tomorrow. It'll be day, not that, probably 2 days ahead. Alright.